Yeah, there we go. Okay, so you have these circles. You're given that the radius is 4 centimeters. So your job is to work out what this shaded region here is going to be. Now, this question, I was actually taught how to do. This section. What's the area of this section? Now, these types of questions I was actually taught how to do on my first year at university. You know? Like, I'm very surprised that this is a GCSE question, but okay, let's show you how it's done. Okay, so what's the first obvious thing we're gonna do? We're gonna work out what the area of this circle is. So I'm gonna say area of circle. Yeah, sure, we'll do it in black. Of circle is equal to pi times 4 squared, which is equal to 16 pi, right? Hi unknown player, hope you're doing all right. Okay, that is step 1. Now, this is the part which is genuinely quite difficult. It's fine. So now, what we're gonna do is we need to work out what all of this is equal to. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna label this as the radius, right? This is obviously 4, right? Now, if this is 4, because it's a radius, it also means that that is 4 and that is 4. And then when we connect them together, that's a bisector. And so this would be this would be 2 centimeters. Okay? Make sense so far? Okay, I hope it makes sense so far. Alright, so now we're going to work out the area of this triangle. But before we do that, we need to know what this angle theta is. I'll mark this in pink. Yeah, okay, this will be theta, right? So, sine theta. I just need to see what it looks like on my screen. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Alright, sine theta is equal to 2 over 4. This is just like basic trigonometry, which is equal to a half. And then from the tables, which you should have learnt for non-calculator, theta would be equal to 30 degrees. After this explanation. Okay, if this is theta and it's 30 degrees, let's call this angle here alpha, right? Alpha would be equal to 60 degrees because 30 plus 60 is equal to 90 degrees. And then we know that this is a right angle, so this will all add up to 180. Which means that 2 alpha is equal to 120 degrees. Cool? Okay, so now that we work out what this is and we know what the 2 adjacent angles are going to be, right? The area of the triangle, let me do this in red actually. The area of the triangle is equal to a half AB sine C, where A and B are both 4, so this is just a half times 4 squared times sine 120. Sine 120 is the same as sine 60. So therefore this is equal to root 3 over 4, because this is root 3 over sine 120 is equal to root 3 over 2. And because we're multiplying it by half, it'll be root 3 over 4 times 4 squared, which is equal to 4 root 3. Okay, that's important. Now, to work out the length of this semicircle, right, I'm going to label this in green, right? What is this? This is a bisector, right? So we're going to say the area of the bisector No, idiot, it's not a bisector, it's a sector. The area of the sector is equal to, well, we know that this is 120, so it's going to be 120 over 360 times pi times 4 squared, which is equal to 16 over 3 pi. And so the area of, hang on, and now that we worked out the area of the sector, right? And here we have the area of the triangle. We have to remove this triangle from this sector to just work out what that is equal to. No, not yet. After the explanation. Alright. Now what we need to do is... I'm going to label this in orange. So, to work out what that little segment here is we're going to do area of the segment is equal to 16 over 3 pi minus 4 root 3. Which is equal to, well, we could just leave it at that. Now, here we have 1, 2, 3, and then 4 segments. So, the area of the non-shaded region of the circle, we'll call this area, hang on, yeah, sure. We'll call this area of non-shaded is equal to 4 times 16 over 3 pi minus 4 root 3, yeah, 4 root 3, which is equal to, hang on, what am I doing? It's equal to, we'll just leave it at that for now. Which means that, I'll put this in black now, the area of the shaded is equal to 16 pi minus 4 times 16 pi. I'm going to use times because some people haven't learnt the dot means times. Over 3. And then we're minusing a minus, so this becomes plus 16 root 3. And so that should be 16 over 3, no, yeah, 16 root 3 minus 16 over 3 root 3. And that should be the answer. Let me check if I got that right. Oh, pi, idiot. Pi. There's not root 3, pi. Okay. And that's how you do that question. Let's see if I got it right. Fairly certain it was. Oh wait, hold on, I got... No, yeah, I'm good. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. Alright. I'll make this a high